And now, as long as you have learned all the vocabulary, you will have no problem to answer my questions. Do you prefer rice to potatoes? Why? Why not? Do you know the difference between shade and shadow? Has your boss approved your holiday for this summer or for this winter? Who investigates? Which profession? Can you recommend any local food? What is your long jump or high jump record? Are you expecting any visitors tonight? What do you like better on bread? Margarine or butter? Do you have a car mechanic in your family? What is your shoe size? And now create questions or any other sentence from following words. Stretch, cut, contrast, pen, industrial. And now write down the dictation and try to read what you have written. In fact, they failed to investigate whose shadows they were. I think they have a great mess in there. And they didn't even apologize for the delay that caused us to miss our connecting flight. So the whole idea remained unfinished. And now proceed to the listening.